The president of the Association of African Private Universities AAPU, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has expressed deep shock over the passing away of a former vice president of the University of Nigeria in Nsukka, Enugu State, Professor Umaru Shehu. Professor Shehu, who was Northern Nigeria's first professor of community health, died on Monday at the age of 97 in Maiduguri, Borno State. In a condolence message on Monday, Professor Gwarzo described the death of Professor Shehu, who was Professor Emeritus Community Health, University of Maiduguri, and former president of the Nigerian Academy of Science, as a great loss not only to his immediate family and Borno State but to the entire academia. Professor Gwarzo also described the deceased as a very dedicated and hardworking distinguished scholar, whose contributions for decades left an indelible mark on the fields of medicine, education, and research. He said Professor Shehu would continue to be remembered by the people of Borno and beyond for his enormous contributions to education and medicine. I wish to, on behalf of the AAPU and the management of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, extend our deepest heartfelt condolences to the family of the deceased, government and people of Borno State over the death of the erudite professor, Professor Gwarzo said. He prayed to Almighty Allah to bless the gentle soul of the deceased and reward his good deeds with the highest level of Jannah. Professor Gwarzo also prayed to Almighty Allah to comfort the family of the deceased and give them the courage to bear the irreplaceable loss.